Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can enable live chat on Facebook Stream. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now tap on the plus icon at the top and you will see a bunch of options. Select live from the drop-down and the camera of your device will be launched. In order to go live, tap on the Go Live button at the bottom. And you can see that there is a comment option present here. This feature is enabled by default, so if someone types a comment, it will show up on the live screen. And that's how you can enable live chat on Facebook Stream. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.